Hello students, today I am teaching you social science for class 8. Our topic is flowchart of types of minerals and types of mining and types of power resource. So this is the conclusion of your chapter, that is the ingredients of modern industry. It is of your third chapter of your geography. So types of minerals, having three main types. One is your metallic minerals and another one is non-metallic, and the third one is minerals, fuels, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. So first of all, let me explain you the metallic minerals. So metallic minerals are of two types. One is your ferruses and another one is non-ferruses. Fine. So here metallic minerals consist of metal. Metallic minerals are malleable, ductile and hard like iron ore, bauxite, silver, gold, etc. Or having two parts, ferruses and non-ferruses. So non-metallic minerals do not contain metals and they are soft and non-lustrous like potash, salt, sulfur, etc. Non-metallic minerals are further classified into ferruses and non-ferruses. Okay. Ferruses minerals contain a large proportion of iron like manganese, iron ore. जो ferruses minerals होते हैं उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा भारी मात्रा में minerals पाया जाता है, that are in the form of manganese, iron ore. While non-ferruses minerals do not contain iron, जो non-ferruses होते हैं उसमें iron ore बिल्कुल भी नहीं पाया जाता. They are totally gold, silver, copper, lead, zinc, etc. Ferruses minerals are important for meteorological and engineer industries, while non-ferruses minerals are important for electrical engineers and chemical industries. Next, types of minerals having another part, that is minerals, fuel, coal, petroleum, gas, natural gas. Okay. So in this, it is also very important, fuel, coal, petroleum, natural gas. Here these resources are very scarce, so we must have to be recycling them, reusing and reducing the consumption, so that we depletes the mining of these resources. Okay. So that we can save these resources for our coming ancestors also. Okay, as petroleum is also called a black coal, is an important source of energy at present. So for running the machines and automobiles, it is also a sedimentary formation and its occurrence is confirmed to young fold mountains, especially along the upfolds. So this is also very scarce resource we have. If we talk about the natural gas is also associated with oil fields. It is a domestic fuel, industrial fuel, as well as used in automobiles like LPG and CNG. Fine. Then we will talk about the mining. So mining is the process of extracting minerals from the earth, either from the surface or from within it. तो माइनिंग एक ऐसी प्रोसेस है जिससे हम मिनरल्स को एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, निकालते हैं खुदान करके फ्रॉम द अर्थ सरफेस. ओके. सो माइनिंग इज ऑफ having three types: open cast mining, shaft mining and offshore drilling. So open cast mining, here It refers to the extraction of minerals from a shallow depth of the earth. It is open cast mining, in which we mines the surface for extracting from the shallow depth of the earth. Okay, which is not too, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा अंदर खुदाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. ये थोड़ा दलदली एरिया होता है, हम कह सकते हैं मोर्शी एरिया. ओके, एंड open cast mining involves the removal of overlying materials to extract the minerals from a shallow depth of the earth. Okay, so next very important types of mining, that is shaft mining, refers to the construction of vertical or horizontal shaft to extract minerals from deep under the earth. जो हमारे अर्थ के काफ़ी अंडर, काफ़ी डीप में जो मिनरल्स पाए जाते हैं, उनको हॉरिजॉन्टली एंड वर्टिकली एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के लिए हमारा शाफ्ट माइनिंग एक बेस्ट वे है, बेस्ट तरीका है जिनसे हम उनको माइन करते हैं, निकालते हैं बाहर खुदान करने के बाद. ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन, types of mining, that is offshore drilling. So offshore drilling is a method of mining. Offshore drilling is a method of mining where deep burrows are dug into the earth. earth में बहुत गड्ढे हमें खोद करके we have to extract oil and natural gases from under the earth और फ्रॉम ऑफशोर रीजन. उन पर्टिकुलर एरिया से हमें निकालना पड़ता है जो काफ़ी गहराई से इनको निकालना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू बी dug very deep. In this method of mining, deep burrows are dug into the earth to extract oil and natural gas from deep under the earth or from the offshore region. ठीक है. So this is the types of mining. Now another one, that is types of power resource. So we have two types of power resource. One is conventional resource and another one is non-conventional resource. So let me explain you first the conventional source. So minerals are highly exhaustible. As we know that the formation of minerals is very slow, so we must have to be the slow as compared to the rate of consumption. जितना ये बनते हैं उससे speedily ये used हो जाते हैं. So for any of the country, for their economical development, for their industrial development, for their domestic purpose also, we basically needs minerals. So we must have to be recycling, reuse and reduce overconsumptions of these resources. Okay, so next we will talk about the non-conventional resource. So conventional resource refers to the like charcoal, firewood, coal, petroleum, etc. and non-conventional resource, energy or recently developed source of energy from sun, wind, water, tide, geothermal, biogas, etc. ये अभी लेटेस्ट टेक्निक्स के थ्रू we make a substitute of our conventional source of energy. इसका हमने एक substitute निकाला है, क्योंकि अगर हम conventional source of energy को as it is in a rapid speed में हम इनको use करेंगे, then automatically it would decline, it would vanish from our world. So these resources are renewable as non-conventional source of energies. ये बहुत ज़्यादा renewables होते हैं इनके source. And initially cost of generation is high but the cheaper in a long run. थोड़ा सा starting में इनको generate करने में took lots of time as well as heavy machineries and heavy plants needed to establish, but as it established, it cheaper in longer run. Okay, दे आर इको फ्रेंडली सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, ये अपने आप में इको फ्रेंडली सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी हैं. These energy creates of these energy not harm our environments. Okay, so this much is enough. Thank you.